For this lesson, we'll be discussing the mean function. The mean function returns the lowest number in a range. It is written as equals to mean. This function is straight to the point. It simply returns the minimum number in a range. The next function we'll be looking at is the max function. The max function returns the number that is highest in a range. It is written as equal to max. Let's take a look at the mean function. The mean function is written as equal to mean, and it returns the smallest number in a set of values. So for example, we want to check what salary is the lowest salary in this company. So in that case, you simply put your mean function equal to mean, open bracket. Now you select the range. Now you close the bracket, and there we have it. So 36,000 is the lowest salary. We can also apply this for the age. If we want to check what age is the lowest age in this organization, we can say equals to mean, and then we select the range, close the bracket. Turns out 29 years is the lowest age in this company. We can also apply this function for dates. So say for example, we want to check which date was the first staff employed, that is the older staff. We can simply select the range, and then we close the bracket, and we have it. So the older staff was employed in 1995. Let's take a look at the max function. The max function is the opposite of the mean. The mean returns the minimum, while the max returns the maximum. So let's check for the maximum salary in this organization. So we can see that 65,000 is the highest salary so far in this organization. We can also try to determine the older staff in terms of age. So who is the older staff? What age is the oldest staff? 38. So the highest age in this organization is 38. We can also apply this for dates as well. Let's try to check which staff was recently employed. And we can see that the newest staff was employed at 2003, while the oldest staff was employed in 1995. The mean and the max function is straight to the point and quite easy to understand. When you're looking for the smallest value in the range, the mean is what you use. If you're looking for the maximum, the highest value, the max is what you use.